Okay, so today we're going to be making a marinade, a jerk marinade. And for that, you're going to need onions, white onions. You're going to need scallions or green onions. You're going to need brown sugar, garlic, lime juice, lemon juice, orange juice. You're going to need allspice. You're going to need pimento berries. You're going to need olive oil, soy sauce, black pepper. Then you're going to need ginger, and then we're going to need cinnamon, and then we're going to need nutmeg and thyme. And for this case, we're going to be using habaneros because we don't have Scotch bonnets. Okay, so now we're going to add the ingredients for the jerk seasoning. Add the onions in. Okay, we got the onions, the white onions. Now we're going to add the green onions, the scallions. Going to add the brown sugar, if I don't kill myself in the process. And the garlic. Get all the garlic in there. Black pepper. The lime juice. The lemon juice. The orange juice. The nutmeg. The cinnamon. The allspice. The ginger. The thyme. The allspice berries. The olive oil. The soy sauce. And lastly, the habanero peppers. Now we just need to blend it up. Check the consistency. Oh yeah, that looks nice. That looks nice. Now we're gonna add it to the chicken. And you might note I didn't add any salt to this recipe because we have soy sauce in it, and that's gonna be all the salt we need. Now we're gonna add the marinade to the chicken. We have our chicken here from our previous video where we broke the chicken down. And this is minus the breast, because we use the breast for the risotto. So in goes the marinade. Nice. Make sure we get all that yummy goodness out of there. Yes, sir. And we want this to marinate at least overnight. You know, a lot of people say 6 hours is good enough, but no, you really should do it overnight. So if you're going to make this, plan ahead. Plan ahead, definitely. All right. Get most of the air out. Then we're gonna massage it. Okay. Now we're going to put this in the refrigerator and see you tomorrow.